बाय, फिर मिलेंगे। हाँ
अच्छे से धीरे चलाना,
आजा एक बार।
स्पीड मत चलाइए बेटा, ठीक है?
ठीक है,
आराम से जा।
फ़ोन करूँगा मैं तेरे को। हाँ फ़ोन करूँगा मैं बीच में। बाय।
बाय बाय।
बच्चों को बोल देना। हाँ
ठीक है, आराम से चलाना।
ओके बाय। That moment came and I said bye to my dear friend. So we'll meet you soon next time. As you can see, I am just traveling in the streets of Delhi and I'm heading towards Jammu. The rear tire got punctured, so already it contains 2-3 punctures and all. So I just want to replace the tire. I thought to do that in Jammu, but unfortunately we have to do here itself in Delhi. So my time is getting wasted and all. So anyway, so I need to replace with new shoes. So it will get new tires now, and then after that I will move. I was searching in many places in Delhi, so my tire size is not available, but here I just took their number from online and called them. They said you can come and install. So guys, now I'm in Haryana. I just left Delhi in the morning. So morning when I started my ride, so my back tire got many punctured. So I just rectified it and I just changed the new tire itself. So my tire size is like 130, 70 and 17 MRF Zapper. So this tire only I will be using. Then I just changed this tire and I started my journey. Then again, like my vehicle, my bike is not able to start and all, starting issue, because it was raining there. Some water and all, or like airlock might be happened. Then again it got start. So half a day got wasted for me, and now I'm in plan to stop in between Jammu. Okay, so let's see where till what time I will be riding and all. So I don't know. So I will just check after that only. I have just spoken to few people, okay, to get some contact and all nearby places and all. Okay, so let's start our journey. I just taken I started riding back to NH44 again after Delhi, and now I'm here in Panipat. So Panipat war has been written in the history of Mahabharata. So this is the place where the great battle has been fought, and Kurukshetra also will be there on the way. So because of the tire issue, I have wasted my half a day, and still 9 hours to go to Jammu, and 500 kilometers is showing. So from Delhi to Jammu it is around 600 kilometers. In that 100 kilometers we have completed, and rest 500 kilometers are there. So I'm hoping to cover 300 kilometers by today, so that like we can start early to cover the distance tomorrow. 59, Jalandhar 232, Amritsar 311. And so now I'm here in Kurukshetra. So after Panipat I am just crossing Kurukshetra now. So till Kurukshetra the road is good actually. So you can stretch as much as you can. Okay. Ambala 40, Ludhiana 50, 153. टैंक फुल करना है, टैंक कितना 95 लीटर? लीटर कितने का है? 95. We have reached Ambala, and this is the Ambala railway station. After crossing toll, I just checked with that person, and he said this is Punjab, So welcome to Punjab, and so he from here to Ludhiana, and from Ludhiana to Jammu, the roads are good, like that the person he said. Let's check.
100 मीटर आगे जाओगे तो पुल क्रॉस करना है, नाला क्रॉस भी आपने
Okay, sir. Bye. So he was the rider from Ludhiana. I got his contact and interaction in Jammu expedition, which held in 2000 like 17, 18 and all. So he is in Ludhiana. I know that he is in Ludhiana. So when I was nearing Ludhiana, I just called him and informed him that I am coming. So he just came and he asked me what you want. I said, like, in Punjab, if I go without drinking lassi, then it won't be good. So he bought me lassi and some charts and all I had. And now I'm heading towards Pathankot. So today I will be staying there and I will be leaving Pathankot tomorrow morning to Kargil. Jalandhar city